Man in prison for 38 years for murder has conviction quashed at Court of Appeal. A man who has spent 38 years in prison for the murder of a woman in 1986 has had his conviction quashed at the Court of Appeal. Peter Sullivan, who was 30 when he was sentenced and is now 68, is believed to be the UK's longest-serving victim of a miscarriage of justice after 3 senior judges quashed his conviction for the killing, 17 years after his first attempt to have it overturned. Diane Sindall, a 21-year-old barmaid, was found dead in Bebington, Merseyside in August 1986, with Mr. Sullivan arrested the following month and convicted in November 1987, but has remained behind bars despite being given a minimum term of 16 years. He first tried to challenge his conviction in 2008, with the Criminal Cases Review Commission, CCRC, declining to refer the case to the Court of Appeal, before he lost his own appeal bid in 2019. He again asked the CCRC to refer his case in 2021, and the commission found that DNA samples taken from the scene did not match Mr. Sullivan. At a hearing on Tuesday, lawyers for Mr. Sullivan told the Court of Appeal in London that the new evidence showed that Ms. Sindall's killer was not the defendant. Barristers for the Crown Prosecution Service, CPS, told the court that there was no credible basis on which the appeal can be opposed related to the DNA evidence, as it was sufficient fundamentally to cast doubt on the safety of the conviction. Quashing the conviction, Lord Justice Holroyd, sitting with Mr. Justice Goss and Mr. Justice Bryan, quashed the conviction, stating they had no doubt that it is both necessary and expedient in the interests of justice to accept the new DNA evidence. He said, "In the light of that evidence, it is impossible to regard Desiu